There are four requirements for plumbing and HVAC companies to utilize Google local service ads. When you sign up for the platform, Google's going to ask you four different questions, require different types of documentation in order to approve you to advertise on their platform. Let's talk about what those things are so you can be best prepared when you go through this process. Number one, they are going to require a background check of the owners as well as the field techs. It's a very simple background check. There's a couple of different providers. When you go through the process, each person will utilize their cell phone to upload a copy of their license, and then that will go through the background check. Everything looks good. Google will pass you for that particular part of their process. The second thing they're going to require is a certificate of insurance. It's important that the certificate of insurance has the exact business name as it is on Google with the address that the business is listed on Google as well. Another important thing, although it might seem obvious, is that insurance must be up to date. They will instantly reject insurance that is not currently up to date and covering the current time that you are going through their verification process. The third thing that you'll need is an up-to-date license for plumbing and or HVAC, whichever categories you're applying for. You need to have the appropriate licenses for it.
If you like this one,
depending on what state you're operating out of, will require a different license. For example, here in the state of New Mexico, plumbing license is called an MM1. In California, it's called the C36. In New Mexico, an HVAC license is called the MM3. In California, that same equivalent license is called the C20. So depending on where you are in the United States, you'll need the appropriate licensure from the state for the particular category that you're applying for. They don't actually need the documentation itself. They just need the number because they will go and they will check to make sure that you are in fact registered with the state and have the appropriate license in place. Okay, that's the third thing that you need. The fourth and final thing is you need at least 5 reviews on your Google business profile. I have seen at times it require 15 reviews, okay? And in other cases, 3 reviews. But the point is, you can't just use a brand new Google business profile with 0 reviews because that's going to get you stuck in the process of going through the verification. Google wants to see that you have at least some reviews on there before they give you the verification and decide to let you start advertising. And besides, your local service ads wouldn't get very far anyway if it didn't have any reviews, because reviews are the number one thing that's highlighted in the local service ads ecosystem. And so reviews is one of those things that is important anyway, so you should just have them. Those are the 4 most important things that you need for the verification process for Google local service ads. There are some other things that happen along the way, things that might get you tripped up. One of those things is your Google business listing might have trouble getting connected to the local service ad. In the description below this video, I've got a video that helps you troubleshoot that and get it solved right away. Some other frequent problems that I've seen is if a business has a different name that's listed on their local service ads account versus the Google business listing, there can be some problems. Another problem that we see pretty frequently is if the email getting used to sign up for local service ads is different than the email for the Google business profile, we'll have some other issues. But in terms of verification, the 4 things that I shared with you today are the most important things to have ready before you go through the process to make it seamless and easy. If you have those things in place lately, I'm recording this video at the end of 2025, lately we've been seeing verifications go through as quickly as 2 to 3 days. In the past, we've seen some of these verifications take up to 3 weeks in order for the background checks to go through appropriately. The size of your team, number of people going through the background check can affect that, but in general, we've seen very short timelines in recent months, and so hopefully that's the same case for you. If you get tied up, you can't do it on your own, you're too busy doing other stuff, you want somebody else to handle it, click a link in the description of this video, go to my website, digitalharvest.io, book a call with me or my team. Be happy to jump on a call with you, help you troubleshoot it, get you started getting going in the right direction, help you with everything related to Google and more. With that being said, I appreciate you for watching my video. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.
Thanks so much for watching my video. If you like this one, you'll love some of the other videos we have posted here on our channel that help blue-collar business owners get more out of their digital marketing. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, check out the other videos. If you got questions or comments, post them below. I look forward to catching you on the next video. Bye for now.